ازيكم؟ اعذروني هتكلم الفيديو بالانجلش عشان ارباح الانجليش اكتر من العربي. How to join contests in XM. ازاي تشترك في مسابقات الاكس ام وتكسب دولارات. Follow me. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video with others, with your colleagues, and press like you don't lose anything. Let's go directly now to XM and to see how to gain money from XM. This one XM here. After I press here my here I think there is a contests أو المسابقات. هنا في كمان مؤشرات الأسهم، وهنا في منصة MT5 MT4، لكن هنا يهمنا الكونتستس المسابقات. في كمان هنا أدوات التحليل شبيهة بأدوات التحليل بتاع تراكر. هنا المسابقات أو نادي المتداولين. أوكي، فلما هدخل المسابقات الكونتستس there is 100,000 dollars every month for these contests. Share in the contests and you will find here categories. These categories is those are paid. This is paid and this is demo, and there is another one free in just in 1 hour. Okay, but this paid for 1 day. Okay, so we can go and sign in of the demo. It's free also, not paid. So here demo weekly, and it's entry free. Start competing, then verify account. Trading require all users to pass KYC procedure. Verify account. Here open real account. Okay. Then here choose your MetaTrader type, MT5. Okay, MT5 offers more features and tools, making it a popular choice among experienced traders. Okay, here we have a standard. One lot equals 100,000. Here micro, one lot equals, I think I select this one. Ultra low micro, okay. Multiple base currency. هنا 0.8 pips, هنا 1.6 pips. Lot here. Okay, continue. Can decrease 100. Account name micro. Okay. Education. It's my channel on YouTube name. Okay, continue. Trading account password. I will enter password here. It's different from this password for the account, but you can do it or create it the same. Okay. Thank you for creating an additional real trading account. Download trading platform or go to members area platform. Go to members area. Now get unlimited cashback on your trades. Here, join demo. Here. Good friends earn $80 for each with no limits. Referring يعني. If you have cert referring, if anyone registered with this referral, go to my wallet, refer to a friend, referrals history, invite a friend. Okay, so to invite a friend, we'll see if you copy an link. This is a referral link. If you will enter his email, so he will automatically send him email. The way, try again. Invite a friend. So there's something. So you can contact the support here. And tell the support of the website of XM you need a referral link. Customer. Okay. Subject. Send me my referral XM link to send and add to my videos so I can earn money. Okay. Send me my referral XM link. Okay, this is the title, and then send request. Then they will send you back through the Gmail. If you have any question, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching me, Sama Ghandour. And if you have any question, ask. Please like and share the video with others. Don't forget. And this is the competitions. Here you can enter competition free, as I told you. Competitions new. Find competitions. Here, this is what we need to join, and this is free practice. Here you can just 30 minutes. So we can start this one. Here, start competing. I confirm. I have read. Okay. This is your order now. And this is now one click trading. شوف ازاي Okay. Here. ده الشارت بتاع الايرو يو اس دي when we are buying now current price. If we close we will sell. Profit loss, we are losing now about 20 cent 22 cent because we are buying here. You sell, you sell here. So we are losing now. So the first place is winning about $1,200. Okay. If I need to close here. Okay, so here if I press here, I'm selling. I'm going down. Just if you need to sell market, sell here. Oh. Another one component, another one, so another one. All this open now, but we are selling, so are losing now because many are you can here also buy. Here buy. The one which will win, I will close. Well, sell is working good, so we can sell. Also sell. So here sell. But all are losing. Why? Because there is a profit. He takes a profit. If you have any question, ask and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.